In the heart of the Amazon, one king rules with courage and heart.
His name is Arav, the Jaguar King. But peace was about to break. Unwanted shadows entered the forest.
They came to destroy, not to share. Trees fell. Rivers choked.
Animals ran in fear.
Hope called the king.
A real king protects.
Not just roars.
Eyes watched the danger.
Voices warned the wild.
Strength stood united.
And the king planned his move. The knight spoke his warning. Fear answered first. But danger returned stronger. The forest cried.
Even kings can bleed.
Brace, but not break.
Not power. Unity wins the wild.
The true king protects the world he lives in.